Hi, BG. My name's Krista. I think you did a really good job with your presentation at describing how oxygen binds to the heme molecule and is distributed through the body, through the blood, and to the tissues. I especially like how you included more information on pH and how important pH levels are with getting that checked, just because if there is any huge difference, or not even a huge difference, if there's just even a little small difference in your pH, it can make a huge difference on your health. And yeah, so I just really like how you highlighted that part of your presentation as well. Um, Tying with what you said with your presentation regarding pH in the body, I believe that if oxygen were the same in the lungs as it is in the body tissues, I think that the heme would be disassociating itself from the oxygen in the lungs, since it would be a similar pH as the tissues. So the pH in the lungs is normally at 7.4, and then the pH in the tissues is normally at 7.2. So although it doesn't seem like it's a huge difference, it really is, and it makes a huge difference in how heme binds to oxygen. So like you stated earlier in your video, that in the capillaries, oxygen disassociates and mixes into the blood, whereas in the lungs, the heme molecule actually binds to oxygen. I think the opposite would happen in the lungs, so it would be similar to the capillaries as well. So I don't think it would necessarily be a good thing, because you want oxygen binding to heme in the lungs at that point in time, and then you want it to disassociate in the blood, so it's traveling in the blood. Um, but like I stated earlier, I think that this is also very indicative of the point that you made earlier in your presentation of how important and fragile pH is. Um, Pretty much in this case, there's only a zero point 0.2 wiggle room where things start to go wrong if your pH just shifts a little bit and your body is no longer in homeostasis. So yeah, I think you did a really good job on your presentation, and good luck with the rest of the course.